Got that going. All right, let's get into this. Is gonna be a quick one you get today, guys. Why aren't you working? You're lagging like crazy. Oh no. There we go. I don't know what that was all about. In a later date, we will finish up the inside of this, because this is going to be the shop, because I'm converting my garage into a shop right now. But I want the outside of it to be usable. To start that, I'm going to take this. What do they have this set at? So 1100. Yeah, let's do that. So let's make this one 1100. It's got to be that. I know Z does not need to be that much. So let's get the conversion calculator going. I need to change the some of the stuff on it, but not all of it. One foot is 30 centimeters. So half of that, 15, 7.5 would be about that's about the thickness of a 2x4. And then X, so we're gonna move that to 8 foot, which is 250. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, alright, we got that in. Let's line you up this way. And we're gonna drop you. 5. Yeah. And then bring you down and out. What I want to end up doing is taking this door and moving it into something else over here. Maybe something bigger. Let's get a cylinder right here. We are going to do foot, so outer radius is going to be 30. Oof. Sides, let's do 64. No, let's do that smaller. I don't want that so big. Z is going to be 91. 91.44 is technically 3 foot. Okay, that's in. That's in. That's in. And let's create another box here. So 15, tab 15. No, 235. I like that. And we're just gonna bring you in right there. Let's control and click on this, and we're gonna alt this thing out. And we're just gonna shift and bring it out like that. Oof, that's actually not too shabby. Alright, boys. That is gonna end up being the garage. I want to build a little lean-to side on it like that. That's gonna be it for today. I'm exhausted. Doing a ton of work right now. And just not sleeping very well. So if you guys made it this far, please hit the sub, the like, the follow me on the other socials if you feel like it. It means a lot to me, makes me feel good. I don't think it does much for the algorithm because I'm still pretty small. But I will see you guys in the next one.